Alright, I got a slight problem with this 42-inch plasma. It has some green snow. See, yeah, you can see the lines through that dude's face. And this is a Samsung plasma made in 2006, model number SP-R4232. I can't get this phone to focus. No, it's not wanting to focus. But regardless, what I found is, here's the back of the TV, and on this board right over here there are two potentiometers. And where did my screwdriver go? There it is. I found that if you adjust the V-scan, which is this top potentiometer, just about an eighth of a turn, if I can get the screwdriver in there, just that little bit right there, the lines go away. Magnificent. Just thought I'd post this. Found this answer in a thread that somebody had answered, and they had this problem, and I tried it, and sure enough, it worked. Thank you for watching.